Hello, farmers. Are you tired of spending too much money on commercial feed? Buying feed for your chicken? Are you tired of high cost of commercial feed? Do you know that you can save a lot of money by using alternative feed ingredients that are just nutritious as anything you can think of? They are rich in protein, rich in vitamins, rich in minerals, and they can grow your chicken faster than commercial feed. By using these feed ingredients, you can grow your chicken within a short period of time, better than commercial feed. Today, I will show you 9 cheap and effective feed ingredients that will keep your chickens healthy, strong, and growing fast without breaking the bank. Let's go there. Please, if you like this particular topic, as I stated it now, please give it a thumb up and watch till the end so that you get the best, because I'm going to analyze these top 9 alternative feed ingredients that can grow your chicken faster than commercial feed, and you don't need to spend or break the bank before you get them. Top 9 alternative feed ingredients and their nutritional values that you can use to grow your chicken fast without breaking the bank. Number 1 among them is cassava peel. Cassava peel. I think we have said much about this cassava peel. Cassava peel has 3 to 5% crude protein, high energy, and a good source of carbohydrate for your poultry and livestock animals. You can use it to replace maize after proper drying and processing. Maize is the major ingredient in any livestock feed. Call it feathered birds or four-legged animals. But this maize is costly because it is used in different segments of life. It is used in producing a lot of things, and it is also consumed by humans, and also for producing a lot of industrial food, beverages, and equipment. So that is why it is very expensive. But cassava peel is a waste that many users throw away into dustbin, and now you can convert it into usable feed, and it is rich in protein, rich in minerals, and rich in vitamins if properly processed. I'm going to tell you how to process it at the end of this video. If you watch it the end, you are going to get how to process it best to get the best nutrient from it. The next one is sweet potato vine and peas. Potato peel is a very good byproduct of your kitchen. It's a kitchen waste also, and it is rich in protein, 12 to 15% crude protein, including potato vine. The fiber is 5 to 7%. Good for layers and broilers as a green feed supplement. So if you are spending much on commercial feed, it means you don't know all these 9 ingredients, or you don't know how to use them. So the next one is brewer's waste, or we call them spent grain. You will see the picture. I'll show you the picture of each of them so that you know how they look like. So if you see them, you'll be able to identify them. Brewer's waste, grain for brewers after soaking it for days. We call it fermentation. It has passed through fermentation process. All these grains can be guinea corn, millet, and rest of them. But they must pass through fermentation process. And that fermentation process add a lot of protein and vitamins in it. So it's now a probiotic or organic food. It contains 20 to 25% crude protein. It contains 10 to 12% crude fiber. And it can be used as a portion of maize, can replace maize to such extent, or soybean meal also. So you can see these are wastes that are converted into usable format. The next one is palm kernel cake. This is a waste after processing and removing oil from palm kernel. The waste is called palm kernel cake. The palm kernel cake has 14 to 18% crude protein. It's very good in energy, moderate energy, and it can be used as feed ingredient for balanced nutrition. The next one is fish waste, dried or processed. All this waste from fish, like if you go where they slaughter catfish, all this waste, like the fins and all that, the tails and the head, all this is they cut off and throw away. You can dry it and process it. It has 40 to 60% crude protein. Very high in calcium and phosphorus. It's used to boost growth and egg production in laying birds when used in moderation. The next one is the sixth one, that is moringa leaf. We have said a lot about this moringa leaf, and we can't stop saying about it because of its high nutrient, 25 to 30% crude protein. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron, used to enhance immunity and improve growth when dried and added to their feed. The next one is maggot or black soldier fly larva. Very important. We have said something about it in one of our videos. It has 40 to 45% crude protein. It has 20 to 25% fat and a powerful protein source for broilers and layers. The next one is duckweed. If you don't have duckweed already, this is the time for you to plant duckweed in your farm. Duckweed has 35 to 40% crude protein. It has very high mineral content like an amino acid. It is used best as fresh or dried because of the protein content. You can dry it. It's a very rich protein supplement for poultry and livestock animals. You can dry it and you can also feed them fresh. After blending it, you mix it with your feed and feed them fresh. The next one is banana and plantain peas. Yes, banana, everything about banana, both banana stem, banana leaves, banana flower are all rich in protein and other vitamins and minerals. The protein content of banana and plantain peel is 8 to 10% crude protein. The energy is very high. It is very high in energy and carbohydrate. It can replace part of maize when dried and ground. It can replace part of maize. So all these I mentioned here are very good source that can help you to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals because they can help you to reduce the usage in corn. Almost every feed takes more than 50% of the total feed ingredients. So if you can drop that corn, and a kg of corn now is about 1,000 naira per kilo. Now, if you drop that corn, 50% of it is included in every poultry feed or more, depending on the type of feed, either starter, grower, finisher, or layers. If you drop that corn again completely, you can drop corn up to 20% with cassava pea. Then if you drop it 20%, assuming you're supposed to include 50%, and out of that 50%, maybe 50 kg, you now remove 30 kg from it. That 30 kg is giving you 30,000 naira. That's what it means, because a kg of corn is 1,000 naira. Then 30 kg is about 30,000 naira. You are dropping 30,000 naira from every 100 kg of the feed. And because that cassava peel is a waste, I have not seen where they sell it in the market. So for us here, we get it free. And once you can drop it with this cassava peel, it means you have dropped corn with 30%, and it is a very boost for your feed. Remember that when you are out of 100 kg, you are having 30,000 naira out of 100 kg. You know that you are making profit already. With that 30,000 that you are making profit already. So that is why I told you that these particular 9 ingredients are very good alternatives you can use to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. I earlier promised you how to process cassava pea. The best way to process cassava pea. There are 2 major ways. One is by fermentation process. That is where you gather the whole cassava peas, wash it thoroughly, and soak it in water. Soak it in water for 4 days. Then after 4 days, pour away the water and sun dry the peas. Then grind it with grinding machine or crushing machine. The next one is where you gather the whole cassava pea, wash it thoroughly. After washing it, then sun dry it without fermentation process. After sun drying it up to 90% or 95%, then grind it and use it to formulate your feed. These are the major 2 ways. The main reason is to remove the cyanogenic acid that is contained in it. This cyanogenic acid is an anti-nutritional factor. It can wipe out your livestock because it is an acidic component that is very dangerous to livestock animals. So it is better you process them in the right way so that you'll be safe for your livestock animal. I promise to teach you this at the end, and this is how to use it. Best way to use it. And that's why many farmers are afraid of it. If you use it in this manner, you will not have any issue. It will contain all the nutritional value that I stated here in the. Therefore, by using these alternative ingredients, you can cut feed cost by 30 to 50% and still raise healthy, productive chickens with ingredients. Which ingredients among them do you have in abundance in your area? Let me know in the comment section. And which ingredients are you already using now? Please tell me on the comment section. Let's discuss. I want us to discuss about it on the comment section. Let's know from the comment section which of them you are already using and what is the result. What result are you getting right now? Let me know on the comment section. Please, let's discuss about it. Do you have them in abundance? Which one do you have in abundance in your area? Or which one do you want to try again? Let me know on the comment section. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more poultry farming tips. Loading very soon. Don't go far. Thank you for watching and remain blessed till the next topic is loaded.